My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
As you build the pages in GoHighLevel, the web pages, the online SEO, are you building out all that online SEO for every page that you do? And do you have any best practices for that?
Um, when you say building, like making sure every page is SEO optimized on the website,
Correct.
yeah, you definitely want to make sure every page is optimized. So the text on the page itself, sorry, this keeps falling over here. The actual text on the page itself, let me pull up a quick example. And then the SEO metadata. Let me share screen again. Okay, so if we go to a website, this is one we're setting up for a client right now. Um, just the actual keywords here, like headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs. Ideally, you want to include your keyword, which this guy's is home maintenance. He's like a handyman. So that's one thing. So just making sure your keywords are optimized and make sure they sound natural, right? You don't want to just like keyword stuff a bunch of random keywords into your titles where it's like just sounds like unreadable. But there's that. And then two of the big ones are service pages. It's like every service that this business offers, we've created a service page for these are all keywords now that we've created a dedicated page for, which sends great signals to Google to help rank better for like HVAC maintenance, right? And then we do the location pages. So you can see this one's like a mega menu here with like, this website altogether has like 40 something pages, which sounds like a lot, but these are all just duplicates of each other. You click on any of them here, and then it's got like a map of that little city there. It just is good for Google. Also, they can read these maps, these map embeds, and then professional home maintenance services in American Fork, Utah. So it like puts the keyword of the city. So anyway, that's kind of how you do like on-page SEO. Just on your main pages, make sure that the keywords you're using are good ones that'll help get them, the ones they want to rank for, right? And then do all the service pages and then the location pages. And then there's the SEO metadata, which is on the back end of the page. So if we go to like edit one of our pages here, the unfortunate thing is you have to do this for every page, but it's
And
kind
you
of
can't,
good.
sorry to interrupt, but when you're building things in the left-hand column of this, putting in, would you click on the SEO, the page, to put the metadata on the page? There. So in these fields here for content, you can't use custom values in there. Is that correct?
No, yeah, you can't use custom values in this section, not that I know of. But what you can do is when you clone a page, it'll save this from the page that it was cloned off of. And so all you have to do is like when you make your next, location page, all you got to do is like everything else would be the same. The description would be the same. You would just go in and change like the city name or whatever here in the description. In the title, you would do like American Fork and you do the next city. And so all you got to do is change a few variables on each of them. This is the home page. This one looks a little different than like the location and the service pages would. All the keywords here are going to be, the same pretty much. Author, images, links and tags, all that stuff will be the same language. So you do just have to change a couple things. But that's the best way to do it is like do it on the first one and then every clone of that location page you make or service page you make, all you got to do is change like one thing or two things on it in the SEO metadata.
What I'm doing to help me with this is I'm taking a screenshot of this page showing the SEO menu off to the left and putting that into ChatGPT, and it's giving me the keywords and everything to optimize the page. I don't know how
Right.
good it is, but it's better than whatever comes out of my brain.
Oh yeah, ChatGPT is
So,
like can scan the entire internet pretty much. So
yeah,
it is literally a search engine similar to Google now. So it knows what it feeds you is correct
right.
information. That, if you're like, hey, what are the top keywords for this niche that would help them get the most search volume if we ranked for them, and it does a really good job for that. So
Okay. That's all I had on my sheet. So thank you.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.